and girls, and welcome to Girl Guitar. We have a collaboration here, ENRIQUE Iglesias and Miranda Lambert. They did Space in My Heart. So this is basically a picking pattern song here. We have a couple of chords or grips, more grips to go over here, and that's what's up for this song. So let's start this one up. No need for any cape on this one. All right, so let's go over the grips, and they're of course based upon different chords. So this will be the F grip. All right. So what you need here is just to play first E string here in the bass, third A, and third D. Like that, all right? So no bar like we usually do with the F, you just have to play these three strings. So the pattern will be like this. All right? So that will be first on E string, then third on D, third on A, and third on D. That is one round. So, all right. The next you need to play is the C-based pattern here, and what you hold here is just the third fret on A string, and you will alternate that with the open G. It goes like this. Okay. So 4 notes again, it's third on A, open G, third A, and open G. So that is one round. A couple of rounds goes. Right? Then we have the D minor based grip here. Like that. So that will be fifth on A, second on G, third D, and back to second on G. So that will be the grip. One round is, and a couple of round goes. Right? Then we have the final grip here, and that will be the A sharp based. So it looks like this. It's exactly the same as the F, you just go down one string, same position there. So that gives you first on A string, third on D, and third on G. And the pattern goes. So that is first on A, third G, third D, and back to third G. And that is what we need for this song. So let's go over the different parts here. We'll have basically a verse play and a chorus play. So that's it. So you're gonna play for the verse now F 4 rounds. So that is this times 4. Right? Then we have C4. One round is that. Then we have D minor 2. Then we have A sharp 2. And then we have two different endings here because we're gonna play this for 2 rounds. So the first ending will be F again for 4 rounds. So this first round, it both starts and ends on F. All right. So that is the first ending, F 4 rounds. Then you go for next round and play everything the same, F4, C4, D minor 2, A sharp 2, and then the second ending will be C 4 rounds. So first round will be F for 4 rounds and the second round you're gonna play C 4 rounds. All right, so that will be the verse. I'm gonna give you the first parts here, the first round, and then that will be with the F in the end there. It goes like this. That's the first round, then it starts again with the C as the final chord. The second round. All right, so that takes us to the chorus play, and that will be very similar, not really, but the same grips there. You're gonna play F 4 string rounds, C 4 string rounds, the D minor 4, and the A sharp 4. You play that for 1 round in the first chorus, And then you go back to play the second verse in the same way as you play the first one, and then you play the second chorus, and there you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So after we finish the second chorus part, we'll have a post-chorus part, no changes here. You just continue with another round of the chorus play, and that will take us to the final outro part. So this outro part will be simply 1 down of the following chords F. So when I say chords, I mean the grips. So you just play 1 down on the bass strings. And then on C, you can have the same grip there. And then D minor. And then the A sharp. 1 down on that for 1 chord progression round. And that's it for Iglesias and Lambert's Space in My Heart. So a nice song here to practice finger picking. So go slowly if you're not used to that, and gradually work your way up in tempo and get comfortable with this finger pickings. If you go with a pick, or like I am, using my different fingers here, and that's your choice. But anyway, nice song there, give it a try. And if that was helpful for you, this tutorial, please feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. Leave a comment, hit that bell notification if you haven't done that yet, and subscribe to this channel. So thank you everybody, and see you here very soon again. Till next time, play tuned.